Hello teacher. Use the advanced search feature on Google Scholar to customize search results by specifying keywords, authors, publications, and date ranges. Step 1. In the search bar, enter keywords related to the publication or author you are looking for. Step 2. To narrow your search, use the advanced search feature by clicking on the 3 lines in the top left corner and then selecting Advanced Search. Step 3. In the advanced search, you can use the author or publication fields to search for specific authors or publications. Step 4. To search for a specific phrase, put it in quotation marks. To exclude a term, put a minus sign in front of it. To search a specific date range, use the since and until fields. Step 5. Click on the search button to see the results that match your customized search criteria. By using the advanced search feature, teachers can save time and effort in sorting through a vast amount of search results and locate the most relevant resources more efficiently. For more such tech tips from InnerScore that can help teachers like yourself learn new skills, save time, and navigate the digital world, subscribe to our YouTube channel.